Okay, so we're going to guess this, guys. Okay, uh, what we have here is a curve and a straight line. The top one's referred to as the linear, the bottom one's referred to as the quadratic. Is everybody right with that? Now, using the linear, you get one letter on its own. Is that already done for you, or do you have to do something? It's already done for you. So now that the linear has the letter y on its own, you write out the quadratic, except you have y missing. Now, what do I put in instead of y? Okay, then you multiply it out and you get x squared plus 2x squared minus 5x, and then bring over to 2. Now what do we have? Minus 5x minus 2. Reference number, lads. Nearly. Minus 6. Minus means it's a positive and a negative. So what's the positive and negative that'll make this work? Minus 6 plus 1, yeah. It's alright. 3x squared, yeah. Minus 6x plus 1x minus 2 equals 0. Yes? Yeah, this is faster though, so you should probably try and see if you can factorize them. Just work on it if you can. And then after this, it's 3x into x minus 2 plus 1. There's nothing wrong with the minus b form. It's just come leaving cert time. It's going to be time you can't afford. So minus b, you should be able to map those ones up, okay? Then what do we get? 3x plus 1 and x minus 2 equals 0. Two answers, guys. 3x plus 1 equals 0. So x equals 2 and 3x equals minus 1. X equals minus 1 over 3. Did anybody get those two numbers out? Hey, half the class there. We're in business. Well done. Half the class. Okay, it's good. Now, that's that there. Have I got full marks for this question? No. Please remember, it's a curve of some variety with a line, which means that we need two x values and two y values. Okay, so what do I have to find out next? Y equals 2x minus 5. Y is 2 times whatever x is, take away 5. So, hello. Yep, what you get here, guys, is this. It's going to be 2 times whatever's here, so it's going to be 2 times minus 1 over 3. And then close the bracket, and then minus 5, yeah? And that's going to be minus 17 over 3. So one of the answers is minus 1 over 3 minus 17 over 3. That's one answer. The second answer is, instead of minus a third, what are we going to have? What do I put in here instead? Somebody please tell me. What goes in here? 2. Because we have to try out 2 as well. And when we try that out, we get minus 1. Did anybody get those 2 points out? 2 minus 1 and minus a third, and just Keno there and Higgins. Well done. Okay, in question 14 we have a linear equation, which is the one with no x squareds, and we have a quadratic equation, which is the one with the x squared and y squared. I said get y on its own. You can get x on its own either, it doesn't really matter. So we're going to get y equals oh sorry, you're right, 6 minus x, yeah? Or did you do minus x plus 6? Which way do you want it? Yeah, I can do it that way if you want, yeah. My fifth years actually choose it that way over. You could also have 6 minus x, your call. Okay, now that's done, we got to substitute. Anywhere we see a y, we get rid of it. Is that right? Good. Anywhere we have a y, we get rid of it. So x squared plus 2 times. So what goes in the box there? Or minus x plus 6, same thing. Now, what do I have to do first? I'm going to multiply this out first. And then once I'm done multiplying that out, I'm going to multiply by 2 afterwards. So look, I'll do that quickly up here. Minus x plus 6 minus x plus 6. I'm going to get x squared minus 6x minus 6x plus 36. And then that's going to be x squared minus 12x plus 36, yeah. Times it by 2. 2 times this. Squared, yeah. Yeah. Plus 72 minus 24. How many x squareds do we have? 3 of them. And then 24x here. 72 minus 24? 48. Any number that will divide into all 3? 3. And after that, I think this is what you were talking about earlier, Luke, wasn't it? Reference number of 16, which means what? X minus 4 and x minus 4. It's a minus 4 and minus 4 system. And what's that mean for the answer? Yeah, just one of them. Now what this means is, do you know why it's always a curve and a line, yeah? The curve could be something like this, but the line only hits it once instead of hitting it twice. One x value compared to 2 x values. Yes? No. You could do a reference number or minus b formula. We'll get you there. Yeah. So what happens here, guys, is you got y equals 2, yes? You chose y's instead of x's. It's okay. Because if you look at this, y equals minus x plus 6. So y equals minus 4 plus 6, y equals 2. That's your answer. So, and then to go the other way, are you listening? To go the other way, you can say x equals 6 minus y. And then your y value is 2. 6 minus 2, 4. X equals 4. So you got it correct. Okay? Alright. Do you need to see 15? Yeah, no, right. I have a choice. Do I get x on its own or y on its own? Either works, but one of them will give me a what? A fraction. We don't want that, right? Definitely don't want that. Alright. So y equals 3 minus 2x. Everybody cool with that? What do I do with this formula here? X squared plus, anybody? X bracket 3 minus 2x, yeah? Plus x squared equals 3. After that, x squared, yeah? Yeah. Yeah. And then here, yeah. Yeah. Minus 6x plus x squared. How many x squareds do I have? 5 minus 2. Oh, sorry, 5 minus 2? 3. I got 3x squared. Anybody else get 3x squared? Yeah. Okay, plus 3x minus 12x minus 9x. And then bring over the 3. Comes a minus 3, so plus 9 minus 3 plus 6. Now divide by 3, yeah? Ah, that works. Yeah, we got that. It's in the bag. So, x minus 3, x minus 1 equals 0. X minus 3 equals 0, x equals 3. X minus 1 equals 0, x equals 1. Everybody right with that? Oh, sorry. Oh, minus 2, excuse me. Too fast. 2, 2, 2. Good man. Alright? Now, we said that y equals 3 minus 2 times x. 2 times whatever x is. So what is x? It's 2. In the case like that, y will equal minus 1. 3 minus 4. Okay, when it's not 2, what is it? 1. 3 minus 2 times 1? 1. 1, 1, and 2 minus 1. Okay,